on my recent video about the BMW i3, which mentioned battery degradation and tyre wear, a YouTuber offered a suggestion which I could try on the high voltage battery to try and restore its capacity. So he initially thought I was talking about the 12 volt battery in the car, but I explained to him that it was the 355 volt main battery. I looked at his video and I was initially very disparaging of his suggestion. I saw no way myself that it could work, but maybe I'm wrong and maybe I don't actually know as much about batteries as I think I do. So here's the video here. Now it says restoring a cell phone's battery, but a cell phone battery is lithium ion, so the same principles should apply. So please give it a watch and leave me a comment and tell me if you think this could work or not.
Get a 9-volt battery, connect the negative, then use alligator wire to connect that, wrap it a couple times around there, plug it into your phone. Keep it like that for about a month and your cell phone battery will be almost like new in most cases.
So that was that. Please tell me what you think.